Hi, this time we want to review the latest smartwatch from Samsung Gear S3. There are two types of this smartwatch, Classic and Frontier. And fortunately, we have a chance to review the Frontier type. Okay, let's do it right now. The package is quite unique with round shape. Inside the box, we get a wireless charger, USB cable, and a replacement strap. For those who have small hands, can use this small size strap which is available in the box. The watch that released in November 2016 has a weight of 93 grams with a thickness of 12.9 mm. The battery is claimed to last up to 4 days with a capacity of 380 mAh. Samsung Gear S3 Smartwatch comes with Exynos 7270 dual-core 1.0 GHz processor and equipped with 768 RAM, which makes Samsung Gear S3 can work smoothly without lag, even when opening many applications at once. Samsung Gear S3 also has 4 GB of internal memory that can be used to store songs and images that can be transferred easily via Samsung Gear application from your phone. Samsung Gear S3 features 1.3 inches display screen with a resolution of 360 by 360 pixels and pixel density to 78 ppi. The screen looks very clear even in outdoor conditions. The screen also been protected with Corning Gorilla Glass SR Plus to protect the Samsung Gear S3 display from scratches and the risk of breaking it when falling from a normal height. Samsung Gear S3 also been equipped with IP68, which means it can stand against dust and water as deep as 1.5 meters for 30 minutes. There are many watch faces options that can be used for Samsung Gear S3. To change the watch faces on the Gear S3, simply just hold on the screen for a few seconds and choose the available watch faces by sliding directly on the screen or simply using a rotating bezel. From Samsung Health application, you can see the log of your movement tracks that you do when using the smartwatch. To test the sound quality, I will turn on the default music player. As you hear that, the volume of Samsung Gear S3 is very clear and quite loud at the maximum volume. Do not forget to subscribe this video by clicking here, like and also comment if you want to ask more about Samsung Gear S3. See you in the next video.